My name is Jill Hubertz. I'm a clinical assistant professor in the Department of Speech, Language, Hearing Sciences at Purdue University. So fireworks are loud, oftentimes impulsive sounds that can permanently damage your hearing. You can impact your hearing just with one single exposure to a loud noise like a firework, or being exposed to loud sounds over time. Fireworks can be as loud as 140 to 170 decibels, and that far exceeds safe listening levels, which are typically around 70 to 80 decibels. So when you're exposed to a loud sound like that, it can damage your inner ear structures that are important for sending sound on up to your brain. So first and foremost, you can use your hearing protection. This comes in a couple different forms. So you can use insert earplugs as well as over-the-ear muffs. Both of these can be found in large stores, sporting goods stores, or online. Typically for children, they prefer the over-the-ear muffs because they're easier to put on and off. You can actually wear both the earplugs and the earmuffs if you really want to maximize how much you're protecting your hearing. You can also increase the distance you are from the fireworks. So if you're at a community event, you might be a large distance away from the firework. But if you're setting them off in your driveway or at home, you certainly want to make sure you have hearing protection on. Think about how far you are from the sound. It's pretty safe from about 500 feet away. And so that is just under the length of 2 football fields. Oftentimes we're closer at a fire when we're setting off fireworks, so just making sure that you put your hearing protection on to make sure you're really lessening the potential damage that could be happening. So some signs that you are around dangerously loud sounds would be if you're having a hard time having a conversation with someone from about 3 feet away. That's a good sign that the noise around you is too loud. Also, when you're leaving the area, if you have any ringing in your ears or temporary muffled of your hearing, that could be a sign that you did some damage to your hearing. So you can always follow up with an audiologist to see if that is the case or not. Several factors come into play when we think about how loud a sound is and also how dangerous that sound might be. So ultimately, what is the level of the sound? So how loud is it? How close are you to that sound, as well as how long you're in that sound. So all those factors come into play. Like I said before, a single sudden loud sound can permanently damage your hearing, and that's a type of damage that can't be reversed. It tends to be permanent in nature.